Hello, you're here today with Mission Tristan, and we are checking out some of these big, gorgeous color rocks. Now, if you know me and you follow where I go, you'd be thinking, Tristan, does this mean that you're back just outside Vegas? And that's what you would expect. I said, no, I don't know why this is here. I'm gonna look it up, find some stuff out. But I am in the middle of Doha, Qatar, and we have the same art structure that we have just outside Vegas. I don't know why, but I thought it was really curious. I'm at 974 Beach. It's really pretty. You see the ocean right here with me. Across is the old Doha Park. Check that one out too. But yeah, nice day. Only problem is sunset's at like 4:30, so you gotta make the most of it early. But yeah, nice day out, a little bit windy. A little bit of cloud cover. You got the 974 stadium in the background there, all the cruise ships and all the main downtown of Doha behind me.